Are you ready to uncover the hidden truths about wealth that the rich don't want you to know? In this video, we'll be revealing the game-changing secrets that will completely transform your perspective on money and set you on the path to financial freedom. Say goodbye to financial confusion and hello to a whole new world of money mastery. Don't miss out on these life-changing insights. Welcome to the Finance Bowl, where we give simple money and investing tips. Please watch the video until the end because the seventh secret will completely change your perspective on money. Let's start. Secret 1. The utility of money. Let's explore the first secret, which focuses on understanding the true purpose of money and how it can be used to enhance one's quality of life. Many people view money as a symbol of status, success, or happiness. However, the true utility of money lies in its ability to provide for our basic needs, solve problems, and create opportunities for personal growth and development. It is essential to understand that money is a tool that can be used to enhance our quality of life when used wisely, rather than a goal or end in itself. Misunderstanding the true utility of money can lead to unhealthy behaviors such as overspending, excessive debt, and an overemphasis on material possessions. By recognizing that money is a means to an end rather than the end goal, you can develop a more balanced and practical approach to your financial life. While having more money can undoubtedly provide greater financial security and flexibility, it also has the potential to create new challenges and problems. These can include increased stress, the burden of managing larger sums of money, and the risk of becoming disconnected from reality. It's important to recognize that having more money doesn't automatically equate to a better quality of life. In fact, if not managed carefully, wealth can lead to additional issues, such as strained relationships, a loss of personal fulfillment, or an unhealthy preoccupation with material possessions. To harness the true utility of money and use it to enhance your quality of life, it is crucial to focus on solving more problems than money creates. This can be achieved by Part A. Aligning your spending with your values and priorities. Ensure that your financial decisions align with your core values, goals, and the things that genuinely matter to you. This can help you use your money more effectively and create a more fulfilling life. Part B. Practicing responsible money management. Develop healthy financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing to ensure that your money is working for you and not against you. Part C. Maintaining a balanced perspective. Recognize that money is just one aspect of life and that true happiness and fulfillment come from a combination of factors, including relationships, personal growth, and meaningful experiences. Secret 2. Time is money. Your greatest asset is your time. This is the second secret. Time is an invaluable resource when it comes to wealth creation. The more time you have, the more opportunities you have to grow your wealth. This can be done through compound interest, skill development, or pursuing long-term investments. By recognizing the value of time and utilizing it wisely, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. These are the two principles you have to understand about time and money. Part A. Trading time for money. This concept refers to the traditional exchange of time and effort for a salary or hourly wage. While it's a common way to earn a living, it can limit your wealth-building potential, as there are only so many hours in a day. To maximize your wealth, it's essential to explore ways to generate passive income, where you can earn money without constantly trading your time for it. Part B. Leveraging other people's time. This idea involves using the time and expertise of others to help grow your wealth. By delegating tasks, collaborating with experts, or investing in businesses that employ others, you can multiply your wealth-building potential. This is a crucial strategy used by many successful entrepreneurs and investors, as it allows them to focus on their strengths and maximize their time. Secret 3. Protect your money. Let's now talk about the third secret, the importance of safeguarding your hard-earned money from financial foes and unforeseen circumstances. We'll discuss the critical distinction between getting rich and staying rich through effective money management and the strategies you can implement to ensure the long-term preservation of your wealth. 1. The importance of protecting your money from financial foes. Protecting your money is an essential aspect of wealth management that is often overlooked. Financial foes can come in many forms, such as market fluctuations, inflation, taxes, or even fraud. To maintain and grow your wealth over time, it's crucial to have a solid protection plan in place that includes diversifying your investments, having an emergency fund, and being proactive about risk management. Part A. Diversifying investments. Spreading your money across various investment types and sectors can help mitigate the impact of market fluctuations and reduce overall risk. This way, if one investment performs poorly, it's less likely to have a devastating effect on your entire portfolio. Part B. Emergency Fund. An emergency fund is a critical safety net that can protect you from unexpected financial hardships, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. It's generally recommended to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Part C. Risk Management. Be proactive in evaluating and mitigating financial risks. This can include insurance coverage, proper due diligence before making investments, and continuously monitoring your financial health. 2. The difference between getting rich and staying rich through money management. Getting rich involves accumulating wealth, while staying rich requires preserving and growing that wealth over time. Proper money management is the key to achieving both of these goals. By being disciplined with your spending, implementing a strategic investment plan, and actively protecting your assets, you can ensure long-term financial stability and success. Part A. Disciplined spending. Develop a budget and stick to it, prioritizing essential expenses and minimizing unnecessary spending. This discipline will help you maintain control over your finances and avoid falling into debt. Part B. Strategic investment plan. Work with a financial advisor or educate yourself on various investment strategies to develop a plan tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed to stay on track with your financial objectives. Part C. Active protection. Continuously monitor your financial situation and make necessary adjustments to safeguard your wealth. This may involve updating your insurance coverage, reevaluating your investment strategy, or addressing potential legal or tax issues. Secret 4. Minimal savings. The rich don't save but invest. Let's address the realities of saving money in banks. Relying solely on traditional savings accounts may not be the best strategy for wealth accumulation, and emphasize the importance of strategic saving and maximizing investments to secure your financial future. Saving money in banks has long been considered a safe and secure method for preserving wealth. However, the current economic landscape presents a different picture. With historically low interest rates and the ever-present threat of inflation, relying on traditional savings accounts can have a diminishing effect on your wealth over time. Part A. Low interest rates. The interest rates offered by most banks on savings accounts are typically lower than the rate of inflation. This means that over time, the purchasing power of your money saved in a bank account may decline. Part B. Inflation risk. Inflation erodes the value of your money over time. If your savings don't grow at a rate equal to or higher than inflation, you may lose purchasing power and experience a decrease in the real value of your wealth. The importance of strategic saving and maximizing investments. To counteract the limitations of traditional savings accounts and secure long-term financial growth, it's essential to develop a strategic saving and investment plan. This plan should focus on maximizing returns and minimizing risk. Part A. Diversification. Diversifying your savings and investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This can help minimize risk and provide a more stable return on your investments. Part B. Invest in income-generating assets. Focus on investing in assets that generate income, such as dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or businesses. These income streams can help supplement your savings and support your financial goals. Part C. Long-term perspective. Adopt a long-term perspective when it comes to saving and investing. This means focusing on consistent, gradual wealth accumulation rather than trying to achieve quick gains through high-risk investments. Part D. Regularly review and adjust. Continuously monitor your financial progress and make necessary adjustments to your saving and investment strategy. This will ensure that you stay on track with your financial goals and adapt to any changes in the economic landscape. Secret 5. Expectation. Let's explore the secret of expectation, a critical aspect of personal finance that often goes unnoticed. Expectation highlights the importance of balancing our financial aspirations with contentment and happiness. 1. The danger of constantly pushing the goalpost and delaying happiness. One common pitfall many people face when pursuing wealth is the tendency to constantly push the goalpost, setting higher and higher financial targets. While it's essential to have ambitious goals, the danger lies in tying our happiness and self-worth exclusively to these ever-changing targets. This mindset can lead to an endless pursuit of wealth and the constant postponement of happiness, as we convince ourselves that true contentment lies just beyond the next financial milestone. 2. The concept of the expectation gap and its impact on happiness. The expectation gap refers to the discrepancy between our financial aspirations and our actual financial situation. A large expectation gap can lead to feelings of dissatisfaction, frustration, and unhappiness. This gap can be particularly detrimental if we base our self-worth and happiness solely on our ability to meet or exceed these expectations. It's important to recognize that external factors, such as societal norms and the constant exposure to others' success through social media, can significantly influence our financial expectations. These influences can make it challenging to maintain a realistic perspective on our financial goals and achievements. 3. The importance of closing the expectation gap for financial contentment. Closing the expectation gap is crucial for achieving a sense of financial contentment and overall well-being. Here are some strategies to help you close the expectation gap and find a balance between ambition and contentment. Part A. Cultivate gratitude. Practice gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating what you already have, focusing on the positive aspects of your life, and celebrating your accomplishments. Part B. Set realistic and achievable financial goals. Develop financial goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, ensuring that they align with your personal values and priorities. Part C. Create a balanced financial plan. Establish a financial plan that balances wealth building with your other life goals, such as personal growth, relationships, and leisure activities. Part D. Embrace the journey. Recognize that building wealth and achieving financial success is a long-term endeavor. Learn to enjoy the process and find happiness in your progress, rather than solely focusing on the end goal. Part E. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you face setbacks or fail to meet your financial expectations. Treat yourself with the same empathy and understanding you would offer a friend in a similar situation. By implementing the rule of expectation, you can strike a balance between your financial goals and personal happiness, allowing you to experience a more fulfilling and content life as you work towards building wealth. Secret 6. Showing off. Once you are rich, you know that showing off your wealth is not a smart move. True wealth is not determined by the material possessions you flaunt, but rather by the financial resources you have quietly accumulated. Many wealthy individuals understand the value of maintaining a low profile and avoiding ostentatious displays of wealth. They recognize that true financial success is rooted in smart money management, prudent investing, and the pursuit of financial freedom. By adopting this mindset, you can focus on growing your wealth behind the scenes, without falling prey to the temptation to impress others or keep up with the Joneses. This approach allows you to prioritize your long-term financial goals over the fleeting satisfaction of acquiring material possessions. Not showing off your wealth has several significant benefits, including Part A. Reduced lifestyle inflation. By not showing off your wealth or trying to keep up with others, you can avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation, which occurs when your spending increases as your income rises. This helps you maintain a more frugal lifestyle and channel your resources towards investments and long-term financial goals. Part B. Enhanced financial security. Keeping a low profile can contribute to your financial security by reducing the risk of theft, fraud, or unwanted attention from those who may wish to take advantage of your wealth. Part C. Minimized envy and social pressure. By not flaunting your wealth, you can avoid inciting envy among your peers and reduce the social pressure to maintain a certain lifestyle or status. Part D. Greater focus on what truly matters. Emphasizing financial freedom over material possessions enables you to prioritize your long-term financial well-being and align your spending with your core values and life goals. Secret 7. Obligation. This secret emphasizes the connection between wealth and freedom from financial attachments. Let's discuss the significance of ridding yourself of these attachments to feel richer and achieve a sense of financial well-being. Wealth is often associated with having a large sum of money, but true wealth goes beyond that. It is also about having freedom from financial obligations and achieving a sense of financial independence. This freedom allows you to make choices based on your desires and values rather than being driven by monetary concerns, and makes your life better by Part A. Reducing stress. Financial freedom alleviates the stress and worry that come with being tied to debt or other financial obligations. This leads to improved mental and emotional well-being, making you feel richer in various aspects of life. Part B. Greater flexibility. When you are free from financial attachments, you gain the flexibility to make decisions that align with your priorities and aspirations, such as pursuing a passion project or traveling the world. We hope that these 7 money secrets have provided you with valuable insights and strategies for achieving financial success and personal fulfillment. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the Finance Bowl for more money and investing tips. Until next time.